Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile guys apps notification setting. How to turn off apps notification in Lava Mobile. Friends, you want to turn off Lava Mobile phone apps notification. So how to turn off app notification by one step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Let's open your Lava Mobile phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Lava Mobile. So friends, scroll it. Friends, click here Lava Mobile notification setting. After notification friends, click here app setting. And friends, you can check your Lava Mobile all app. Friends, click here most recent app setting, all app setting. And friends, you can check your Lava Mobile A to Z all app. So when which app notification friends you don't want to use in your Lava Mobile. Example, friends, you don't want to use your Lava Mobile phone Gmail notification. So friends, you can turn off Gmail notification. After turn off friends, you cannot use Lava Mobile Gmail notification. And friends, you don't want to use Instagram notification. So when you can turn off your Instagram notification. After turn off Instagram notification friends, you cannot use Instagram notification on your screen. And you want to use, so you can allow from here. So like that friends, which app notification you don't want to use. Right side friends, click here app notification will off, and you want to on app notification, so right side again click notification will on. And friends, you can turn off and you can on app notification with shortcut setting. Example, friends, you don't want to use Lava Mobile phone Chrome app notification. Friends, press here app info setting, notification setting, and friends, you can turn off your Chrome notification and you want to use, so you can on from here. And friends, you want to clear cache, you want to clear data, so you can clear cache and you can clear data from here. So like that friends, you can use app notification settings. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.